having this experience with your clients on, I know helping people to succeed in the job is great. So can you let us know maybe one or two examples on how you achieve something big with your clients?
Yeah, with the clients, if you're talking to someone once a week for 12 weeks, they actually become your friend too, which is nice. And you can even get feedback from them. So I learn from my clients as well. We, as I mentioned, we speak with engineers, project managers, sales managers, so and finance managers as well. So I learn a lot from them. But in terms of success stories, I've actually had a few clients that after their course, they've gone on an interview, made it to the second round, and actually got the job. So that was very encouraging to see. They've even in their current role, if they're already at the head of their department for the region, they were able to get commendation from their boss because their English had improved in such a short amount of time, which was very nice to see some outside feedback of how they've others have noticed their progress. The main thing that I want people to take away from this though is that when you're learning a language, of course, like you said, it's not going to be overnight, but it can be incremental. Have some type of notes, just like you would for your engineering research. This week I did this and this, and I feel by the end of the week I really improved on this point. Then on days when you're really not feeling motivated or you're frustrated, ugh, I'm not getting any better at English. I just feel like I can't do this. Look back at those notes and see how far you've come. That will keep you going on your journey to improve, and you never know where you can be once you've had 1 year of very focused engagement. That can lead to fluency, and once you reach fluency, if you have another year or two after that, then you get to the point where you feel like you can have a conversation with a native speaker on a business conversation and also a social conversation, and be able to carry yourself well. And after you get to that point, the possibilities are endless. Of course, you'll constantly be learning new things because you're dealing with new cultures along with the English language. But it's a journey that if you track it, you'll be surprised how far you come if you really focus.